final floor finish is going to be a luxury vinyl tile, commonly known as an LVT. Then we have an adhesive called Profix Plus LVT, which is specifically designed for fixing vinyl tiles to our screed master. It's a water-based adhesive and it's commonly known as a wet lay, which means it's put down using a 1.5mm notch trowel that the glue is troweled across the surface, and while that glue is wet, your LVT tiles are laid into that. The LVT glue is not just a glue, it's also designed to support the LVT tile itself. You know, LVT tiles, they're laid almost everywhere. They're exposed to direct sunlight, indirect sunlight. They have plasticizers in them, which means they can shrink over time. The glue is there to actually support the tile in that process.
Before you apply the adhesive, it's very important to actually also check the moisture level of the screed itself. And after 24 hours to 48 hours, our screed should be less than 3%. But before the application of the adhesive, the moisture level must be below 3%.
We always suggest, and again, normally good contractors, they take a rubbing stone or a bit of sandpaper and they just rub the surface of the screed. It removes any loose or foreign matter that may have settled on the screed overnight or during the curing process. If you're using sheet vinyl, a different adhesive is used. We've got a product called Profix and Profix Plus. Those two products are typically used, and again, depending on your budget, used for bonding vinyl tiles and sheet vinyl. The Profix is used for vinyl tiles and the Profix Plus is used for sheet vinyl. Both are applied with a 1.5mm trowel, and the adhesive is applied across the surface of the screed master. The difference with this adhesive versus the luxury vinyl tile or LVT adhesive is that this adhesive needs to flash off for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on ambient temperatures, just to let all the water evaporate out of the system. So we put the vinyl onto the adhesive while it's tacky and not wet.